ice in his veins, a crown of frost. He laughs as the rivers get lost. Glass trees snap, the sky turns pale. He drags the sun into his jail. Every breath's a dagger cold. He freezes hearts, both young and old. He whispers softly, fall asleep, and buries cities 6 feet deep. 4 of them dance, the end begins. Each one wears destruction's grin. Cycle eternal, death reborn. Beauty and chaos, forever sworn. She walks in green with poison bloom, petals that choke a sweet perfume. Roots crawl through cracks in human stone, claiming back what was once her own. Butterflies with razored wings sing the song that sickness brings. From rot to life, from life to rot, she feeds the world and burns the lot. 4 of them dance, the end begins. Each one wears destruction's grin. Cycle eternal, death reborn. Beauty and chaos, forever sworn. Fire in his eyes, deserts expand. Melting glass, swallowing land. He drinks the oceans, laughs at rain, turns every crop to ash and pain. The children run, the skies ignite. He is the day that kills the night. Heat so fierce, even gods might bow. He rules the burning moment now. Cloaked in smoke with sickle swing, he hums a dirge, the end of spring. Golden leaves, a funeral flame. He knows decay by name. He reaps what time forgot to spare. Turns hope to dust, leaves nothing there. Whispers softly, rest your bones, as silence claims the overgrown. 4 of them dance, the world decays. Seasons of ruin, endless maze, from frost to flame.